Hey, what is going on everybody? My name is Nicholas Kid. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. And look what came into the mail today. This is a mechanical keyboard. I believe it's cherry blue switches. And it's only for 100 ringgit. Which is actually absolutely crazy if you think about it. If you're looking to use a mechanical keyboard but at the same time you don't want something that is really expensive, because let's be honest, if you want good mechanical keyboards out there, they are fairly expensive, especially if you look like products like Razer or Cooler Master. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. I personally own the Cherry MX Red Rapid Fire by Cooler Master, and I gotta say it's very good. But compared to this one, I can't say much because let's remember the fact that this is only 100 bucks, alright? So surprisingly, for 100 ringgit, you actually get some pretty cool stuff out of the box. We have a keycap, which is really good for removal of your keys if you want to change them to different types, I think. And what really surprised me is that out of the box we also have a brush to dust off, you know, any kind of dust that is stuck within the keyboard, and also a mouse pad, which is amazing. With that said, we also got a USB cable here that connects from your keyboard to your computer, and also a very quick guide in Mandarin, if you know how to read that, because I do. It says no smoking here. I don't know how that relates with the keyboard, but alright, so this is the keyboard that we've all been waiting for. Personally, first impression to me is that it's very light. It feels cheap. The one thing that I really like about this is, of course, the sound. Alright, check this out. Ever since my high school days, I've always wanted a blue switched keyboard because, in my opinion, I think it's one of the best keyboards to type on. The feeling that you get, it's very satisfying. The reason I bought the red switch is because the blue one was out of stock and I couldn't wait, so shame on me. But anyway, it just sounds so good. Few things to note here is that the keyboard itself is not backlit, so I think that is where they cut the cost in order for this mechanical keyboard here to be so cheap. But in the background here, you can definitely tell that it is rubberized, so it's pretty good if you put on surface, it wouldn't slip or anything else. But one thing that really bothers me about this keyboard is the height of the stand. For some reason, it's really uncomfortable. The position of your hands, it's a bit too tall, but if you close it, it's too flat. So it isn't the right height. Another thing to note is that the keyboard is not full size. You don't get your numpad, which is usually supposed to be over here. But tell you what, for 100 bucks, this is seriously not bad. It's the best, should be, I think, the best option you can get for a 100 bucks mechanical keyboard. Anyway, I would leave a link down in the description box below if you would love to check this keyboard out. I really hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Do let me know what other tests that you want me to do with this keyboard over here, if you're interested in it, or if you have any sort of ideas that you want to see displayed on this keyboard. So thank you all so much for watching. My name is Nicholas Kid, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!